Welcome to this tutorial. Scroll animation allows you to animate elements based on the user's scroll position, creating dynamic and engaging page interactions. In this video, we'll explore all available scroll animation effects and learn how to configure them.
Scroll animation is available for all Gridbox elements, including sections, rows, columns, and plugins. To configure it, open the Settings panel of any element and go to the General tab. In the Animation group, you will find the On-Scroll option. Gridbox provides 6 different scroll animation effects: vertical scrolling, horizontal scrolling, scale, rotate, transparency, blur. To enable an animation, click the icon of the effect you want to use. In the Settings panel that opens, turn on the Enable Animation toggle. You can apply multiple scroll animations to the same element at the same time. To enable another effect, simply click its icon and turn on the Enable Animation toggle in the corresponding Settings panel. Each scroll animation effect has its own unique settings, which we'll explore later in this video. However, every effect includes 2 fundamental options: viewport bottom and viewport top. These settings define the area of the screen where the animation takes place. For example, if viewport bottom is set to 40% and viewport top to 80%, the animation will start when the element reaches 40% of the screen height. As you continue scrolling, the animation will progress until the element reaches 80% of the screen height, where it reaches its final state. Let's see how it works. As we scroll the page, the plugin remains unchanged. Once it reaches 40% of the screen, the animation begins. It continues smoothly as we scroll and stops when the element reaches 80% of the screen. Understanding these 2 options is essential, as they control exactly where every scroll animation starts and where it finishes. Vertical scrolling moves the element along the vertical axis while the page scrolls. The animation speed option controls how quickly the element moves relative to the scroll position. Horizontal scrolling moves the element horizontally while scrolling. The animation speed option controls the movement speed. The scroll direction option lets you choose one of 4 directions. The scale animation changes the size of the element while scrolling. Use the scale option to define the scaling amount from 0 to 10. The direction option lets you choose between scale in and scale out. Rotate adds a rotation effect as the page scrolls. The degrees option lets you specify the rotation angle from 0 degrees up to 3600 degrees. The direction option allows you to rotate the element either left or right. Transparency changes the opacity of the element while scrolling. The transparency value can be adjusted from 0 to 100. Choose between fade in and fade out to control the animation direction. Blur gradually adds or removes a blur effect during scrolling. The blur value can be adjusted from 0 to 20. Choose between blur in and blur out, depending on the desired effect. Scroll animation is a powerful way to add motion and interactivity to your website. By combining movement, scaling, rotation, transparency, and blur effects, you can create modern layouts that respond naturally to user scrolling. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.